I've travelled by high-speed train to the south of China. Along the way, you can see just how deeply clean energy is woven into everyday life here. Now we're at BLUETTI, diving into battery storage and how it's made, and how power is becoming truly portable. The global energy revolution is more than just carbon reduction and reducing energy bills. It's also about technology and lifestyle. The rate of adoption of technology has gone exponential, which is why I'm so excited to be here at BLUETTI to explore the very latest in portable energy storage as well as home energy storage. G'day Tim, how are you?
Hey Rosh, welcome.
Thank you so much, it's so awesome to be here. Home of BLUETTI. What can I see today?
Yeah, exactly. This is our oldest factory where we manufacture our power stations, also test them. So we'll see a little bit about that. And also I'll take you guys to the new factory where we just do some more cool stuff with our power stations. And we'll talk about the history of BLUETTI, how we're making power stations and providing them to people all over the world.
We have so many amazing products. I can't wait to see all of it. Let's get started, shall we?
Let's go.
Awesome.
BLUETTI was founded in 2009, and in 2013, we made the world's first lithium portable power station and lithium energy storage system. And then in 2020, the brand itself was born the way that end consumers know it.
I know there's going to be a lot of Aussies watching right now that are going to be like coming to the screen and say, tell me more, because we love camping, we love fishing, we love anything that involves outdoors, and your products are absolutely perfect for those. So Tim, this is stage one of the process, and I believe this is also the brains of the operation. Can you explain why?
Correct. This is where PCBAs are made. Basically, as you said, the brain of the power station.
And what do they actually do?
So they are crucial for battery management system, which makes sure that the battery can be used for a long time. It protects it from overvoltage, short circuit, overcurrent, low discharge. So all of the essential stuff that the end consumer doesn't think about, but that's because everything works flawlessly.
So Tim, this place looks pretty cool. What's happening right now?
Yeah, so we are testing our power stations for any interference with other electronic devices to make sure that they function flawlessly in any household.
That's amazing. It's good that you actually have this level of testing as well, because it really is putting your products under duress and really understanding, how they perform. Lockie, you've got so many cool products. Can you talk me through what each one does?
All of these are our latest technology. This is the latest adaptation of one of our best sellers of all time, the EB3A. So this is the next generation of that. We are definitely not a company that sits still and lets that run for too long. As the new technology comes, we are trying to introduce it and follow what the market is looking for as well. What we've noticed in the market is that you keep that 20 kilogram mark above that and people start going, oh, it's not very portable.
Yep.
But underneath that, we are very portable. And people really, really respond to that as well. It's been fantastic.
What you're saying, Lockie, is we could actually shoot a TV show on the road, and that could be our power source.
That's exactly right. I've had meetings with production companies for exactly that. Like, can we manage this type of power? And we can. It's fantastic. So there's a lot of people looking for, they do concerts and that. And instead of having a generator humming in the background,
yeah,
the amount of places that you can now go, hey, we can set up and do everything we could before without having to run a generator in the background. Now it's silent.
And they're reducing their carbon footprint as well, which is obviously, the win. This takes me to my next favorite thing, which is home energy storage. Of course, we have the Cheaper Homes battery program going on in Australia, which has gone off. You guys have been in the market now for energy storage for a while.
We're trying to cover everyone's needs. So, we've got our EP760, which we've been running now for quite some time, and its popularity is just growing. It's a great starting point for how we're coming into the market. Then obviously there's more and more demand for our big boy here, the EP2000. This is our 3-phase system, and let me tell you that everywhere I go in Australia, all of our shows, all of our expos, they are all asking about this. This seems to be a big deal for Australia. So now, with the constant upgrading, the constant testing, the new products that we're always in search for, we've been able to go from this product, which has created this.
Oh, look at that.
So we're able to start to shrink down the size of this, but add more power as well. Constant evolution, that's the key here. Every year, something in this place changes. Every year, we've got new products doing new things, an evolution of a product growing. And the more people that are needing, the more people that are using this, we're going to see that constant improvement. One of those technologies that you will look back in only another 5 years and people will start to go, yeah, what did we do before this? How did we make this happen before we had so much power in such a portable device?